for Prime Amazon. I always say Prime Amazon. Amazon Prime Day thing they had. I bought one big item that I've been wanting to get for a while. Don't know how good it is. Electric power washer. So this one, I think was like 150 bucks. Don't quote me on it because I got so many numbers going through my head. But they had this one on discount. It was like 200 or something. So allegedly it's a 5,000 PSI. That was the only reason I bought it. The only reason I bought this exact one, aside from the 5,000 PSI, was it had this little hose reel that you put on top. I gotta clean up all this shit sometime. Come with a cheap foam cannon. And it was on wheels. So I can just wheel the thing around instead of trying to carry it all the time. It comes with different tips. So let's get this thing put together. Of course, you never read the instructions ever. Let's say this thing. Box in there. Nice little safety lock here. That's nice because sometimes you bump it. So the hose goes in here. They say garage is a freaking mess. Okay, got a little spool here. Looks like this. Sits, locks right on top. Yeah. Let's go right on top. And then motor's there. And they actually give you a screwdriver. Here's your screws. They give us two little screws to put in here. Hold this little reel on. It's a pretty compact unit, so it's 98 decibel right there, it says. They had other ones that they were like an automatic. They had a touch screen and stuff, and I was a little hesitant on the touch screen because you're around water, and if it fails, I don't really want to be messing around. You know, I don't want to be washing my car and then it goes, you know, higher pressure and that just blows everything apart. Okay, we're gonna have to read the instructions after all. Tells you what it is. Gives you a nice little pin to clean out your tips. Let's see, we got storage. Can't see which side is which. So I guess just slide these on. Can't really tell on that picture there which one is which. Looks like the big one is over here, but I guess this one. We'll figure it out. And then it looks like this here. Looks like this. Okay, so that just pops in there, and then if we want to pull it out, just go ahead and push that over. This is actually our power button right here, and we got a pretty decent cord. Looks like we got a spool for it. And then I guess they call this thing a lance. That's going to touch the ground. So I guess it's this one, because this one doesn't let it touch the ground. And then zip tie there. I bought one a long time ago and waited like 3 weeks for it. And then when I plugged it in, it immediately blew the hose right off. Okay, so then this, it's got a little button for release. Just slip that in there and they pull this up. And then just take that out. When you're done, you just crank her right back up. Still don't know which one of those was where. And I guess this cord just wrap around. Wrap around like that. Water's gonna go on the bottom. And we got all our tips. We got a 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and a 0. The 0 is the one you don't want to use on your car ever. Unless you're trying to get paint off. It is kind of tight fit. I don't like that. Okay. No, I don't know where this foam cannon sits. See, and then your foam cannon here, put your soap in there. Oh, here, okay. It's your foam cannon, pull this out, and then put this on there, and then foam cannon. Then when you're ready to spray off, stick that back on there, done. That's pretty cool. So, of course, made in China. Wow, I guess they call it a detergent bottle. They don't really call it foam cannon. Instructions, what goes where. Shows a gun on the left. It always shows different pictures than what you have, so. Yeah, it's just me reading stuff, you know. All right, well, let's try this bad piece of equipment out. Got it hooked up. And wash this propane tank. Now let's give it a try. Here's the level of our propane, if you didn't know. Fire up. The hose doesn't say it's rated for 5,000, so. That was a 40, now we're going to 15. I wonder if there's any bee nests in here.
Huh?
Wonder if there's any bee nests in here. Yep.
Can I go inside? Are there any bees in there?
Not anymore. Alright, this is a 0. Well, I guess that wasn't so bad. Could have cleaned up a little more, but did down here too. Cleaned it up. Works for me.